Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the raw numbers. Do that now. Locate the 3 domain scores: reading, analysis, writing, and note both graders' values. Once you have 2 numbers for each domain, add them together to make a domain total that falls between 2 and 12. Make sure to write each domain total clearly, because this small arithmetic step is the foundation. Without accurate domain totals, the combined score will be wrong. Next, you perform the core calculation. Add the 2 grader scores for reading, then do the same for analysis and writing. Once done, sum those 3 domain totals to produce the combined essay score. This final number ranges from 6 to 36. If any entry looks off, like a missing grader or a total outside the permitted range, stop and recheck the report immediately, because one small transcription error will skew the whole combined score. Finally, verify your work by re-adding the 3 domain totals and comparing that sum to any combined score shown on the report. If they match, you're done. If they do not, reopen the official score report and re-enter each grader value carefully, then recalculate. Small transcription slips are the usual culprit. If confusion persists, contact College Board with your report ID and explain the specific discrepancy so they can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.